At TraffiCalm, skilled hands and innovative minds come together to craft not just products, but roadway safety solutions. Welcome to the world of TraffiCalm flashing sign systems, where every piece we create carries with it the promise of durability, longevity, and affordability. TraffiCalm products are proudly handmade in America, which gives us an unparalleled flexibility. With our extended warranty and promise of lifetime technical support, we offer affordability with a peace of mind. Embedded in our products is a selection of high-quality LEDs, using an electronic sealing process known as potting, providing the durability and longevity TraffiCalm customers deserve. Customers say it best: once you experience the TraffiCalm difference, no other system compares. Our mission is crystal clear. We're not just manufacturing products in America, we're engineering safer futures, one road at a time. TraffiCalm, innovative solutions for roadway safety.